Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is Momi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share the review of the product that has changed my whole makeup game, and yeah, I'm talking about NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray. It locks my makeup, make it long lasting with dewy or matte finish. So many of you asked me how to make the makeup long lasting, so today I will share how to make it long lasting with this magical NYX Makeup Setting Spray. Makeup setting spray controls oils, shine and sweat impact on makeup. NYX is a professional makeup brand, provides great quality products with accessible pricing. Favorite of so many makeup artists and beauty influencers including me. It's vegan and cruelty free, so I love it so much. NYX makeup setting spray has two variants, and this one is matte finish. It is a very lightweight water-based setting spray that keeps the makeup matte and long lasting, and this one is the dewy finish setting spray, and it keeps the makeup long lasting and dewy. You will get the product ingredient list, price, quantity at the back of the plastic bottle, and it cost rupees 875 for 60 ml of product, which is really affordable, and the shelf life is 3 years, so for me this one is a great purchase. Now I'm gonna tell you how to use it for a flawless long lasting makeup. Firstly, I'm using it as a primer before applying any foundation on my face. I have already prepared my face with a moisturizer. Now I'm applying this dewy finish makeup setting spray just to prime my face. Now I'm using it to damp the beauty blender for a flawless foundation application. Now I'm pushing the foundation by dabbing the damp beauty blender on my skin. This is the most important part for a long lasting makeup base. So the base is ready. Now I'm using this as a makeup setting spray after applying the foundation. As I have normal to dry skin, I prefer the dewy setting spray before applying the makeup, and after finishing the makeup base I like to lock it with this matte setting spray. So I love both of them, they are excellent guys, just go for it. Now I'm showing you the swatches of this makeup setting spray on different products. Here I'm taking two colors from NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and applying it on my hand. Now I'm spraying the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray over them. Guys, I'm really amazed by its performance because after drying the pigmentation of the eyeshadow becomes darker than before. Just see what an amazing product. Even they stayed at their place when I was trying to remove it with a cotton. Now I'm gonna test it over NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade SMLC25. And this is how it stays on my hand after drying. Now this is the time for wear test. So for this I'm quickly finishing my makeup and spraying the dewy makeup setting spray again on my face, because this spray increases the staying power of foundation, highlighter, blush and eyeshadow, and I have mentioned the time on the right side of the screen, you can check it. This is 12:30 PM when I have applied it. It feels really comfortable on skin, you don't need to do any touch up, and this is how it looks after 3 hours. As you can see, this is almost 6 hours, but my makeup didn't budge and looks same even after 9 hours of application. This is 10 PM now. No texture or fine lines are visible on my skin. So the product is true to its long last claim. That's why this is my favorite product. So if you want to make your makeup long lasting and wanna see it amazing and intact throughout the day, then get your hands on this amazing product and let me know how it works for you. In India, it retails only on Nykaa, and the purchasing link is in the description box of this video. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you wanna see this makeup look or a one brand makeup tutorial for NYX Professional, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the whole video. Goodbye.